Good morning, students. In module 2, I will solve exercise 9.1, question number 2, 10th class. The question number 2 is, a tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. You see very attentively, students. This AB, let AB be a tree and C be the point where tree is broken, and this broken part AC, it bends, and this part bend here, this one, and it touches the ground. So you can say that AC is equal to CD and make an angle of 30 degree with the ground, and the distance between foot of the tower and the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. The question is, how can you find the height of the tree? Students, you know very well height of the tree is AC plus CB, and AC equal to CD. So in right triangle CBD, how can you find these two length, this one and this one? Because this equal to this, so you can find the height of the tree. As you know very well, in a right angle triangle, if one acute angle is given, one side is given, you can find other two sides with the help of T ratios. Now see, let AB be a tree and C be the point where tree is broken. AC is equal to CD, BD is equal to 8 meter, and in right triangle CBD, then CB upon BD beta. CB upon BD. CB is perpendicular because side opposite to angle. This one is perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. And so CB upon BD is 8 and 1030. 1030 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply bete. CB into root 3 equal to 8 1 ja 8. And CB is equal to 8 upon root 3 meter. Then next one is, in same right triangle CBD, this BD upon CD, base upon hypotenuse cos 30, and BD 8, CD equal to cos 30 bete root 3 upon 2, cross multiply CD into root 3 equal to 8 2 ja 16, and CD is equal to 8 upon root 16 upon root 3, and then height of the tree AB equal to AC plus CB. You see where AC plus CB, and AC is equal to CD. AC is equal to CD plus CB, and CD is this one. CD is 16 upon root 3, and this one CB is equal to 8 upon root 3. Denominator are same, root 3. So numerator, add into numerator, 16 plus 8, 24 upon root 3. Rationalize the denominator. We will get 8 root 3 meter height of the tree. Now you see next question, bete. Next question is very important question. I will solve question number 6, beta. Question number 6 is, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. AB be a boy and CD be a building of height 30 meter. Height of the boy 1.5 meter. The boy is standing some distance. Distance is BD. The distance between boy and building is this one, BD, and height of the building is 30 meter, CD. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60. The angle of elevation now is 30, and as he walked toward the building, the angle of elevation change, or you can say increase 30 to 60. As he walks toward the building, or the question is find the distance table towards the building by this boy. You will find AE distance, or you can say B. So suppose this distance x, same x, this y, this also y, and this is 1.5, this is also 1.5, this is also 1.5, and CG equal to CD minus GD. 30 minus 1.5, 28.5. So see again, let AB be a boy of height 1.5 meter and CD be a building of height 30 meter. AE is equal to EF equal to GD equal to 1.5 meter, and CG equal to CD minus GD. 30 minus 1.5, 28.5 meter. And suppose AE is equal to BF equal to X, and this one EG equal to FD equal to Y meter. Now in right triangle CGE, CG upon GE, this perpendicular and this base P by D 10, 10, 30, and here CG no variable 28.5 upon y equal to 10, 30, root 3 cross multiplied, root 3 into y equal to 28.5, and y is equal to 28.5 upon root 3, rationalize the denominator, and then you will get y is equal to 9.5 root 3 meter. And in right triangle, this one CGA, CG upon GA, P by B also 10, 30, CG upon GA 10, 30, CG 28.5, and GA is AE plus EG, X plus Y, equal to 10, 30, 1 upon root 3, and cross multiplied X plus Y into 1, same, and 28.5 into root 3, 28.5 root 3, and here you put the value of Y here, 9.5 root 3, and this value transfer from left to right, sign will be changed, and 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3, you will get xg equal to 19 root 3. This is the distance tabled by the boy. Thank you, students.